Yo, what's up guys, it's me Brian and I'm back with another video. Today we have the DR10 RC drag car. I have a 2S100C on it right now, but so far it's pretty fun, honestly. Can't lie, this is the controller, looks pretty good. And then this is the DR10. I had to get the purple color because it just looks beautiful. Like, I'm not gonna lie. We're just driving it, and not in the water, but look at these ducks, guys. There's some ducks over there. Yikes, that almost got hurt. But it seems like the ice is pretty strong. I might drift this right now. Alright guys, I'm going to be recording some. 3, 2, 1. Just gotta turn before I hit that speed bump. Alright guys, here we go. We're about to run it down the road. 3, 2, 1. It is just phenomenal. Dude, it's just beautiful. We're gonna get a front shot. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's do a launch from here, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you can hear the rods. Anyways guys, that was the video with the DR10 from Team Associated. I'm probably gonna make a few more videos with my friend. He has some drag cars. He also has some just rock crawlers and other type of RC cars. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to subscribe and like this video, that'd be awesome. I guess I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Should be posting more frequently now. But yeah, alright guys, see ya.